All right, it is time to do our tool trouble levels. In tool trouble, glitch causes a problem where, as usual, eats some dynamite, blows up, and loses all the tools. So our buddy Waz, that's this guy's name here, Waz, needs to get back all the tools. Now this level kind of walks you through it. This piece here, what that does is builds a box. Waz builds a box underneath himself to go up higher. So you can see, obviously, we need more than just one of those boxes. But I want to show you a different level right now. We'll check out level 6 here real quick. And with level 6, we see that we need to go down 1, 2, 3. And to do that, we use dynamite. So dynamite will blow those boxes up. 1 dynamite, 2 dynamite, and a 3rd dynamite to get us down to the bottom. And then go over 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Uh-oh. And then I need to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 times. But I ran out of space. So just like on your unplugged coding activity, you need to utilize the loops. So I can use the loop just like an unplugged activity, put the code inside the loop, and then you can tell the loop how many times you want that to happen. So if I do this, that means that dynamite is going to happen 3 times. Now this fancy symbol right here that looks like a sideways 8, that means infinity. So if I have it on dynamite infinity, that means it's going to go forever. It's going to cause dynamite forever. So on this particular puzzle, I must use loops in order to get all the way from my beginning point all the way to my tool. So give you the start of it, I need to do 3 dynamites with my loop, and the rest of it you will have to figure out. Good luck. Remember, if you run out of space down here, it means you need to use a loop. Look for things that repeat, look for patterns, and put your loops around that code. Good luck.